Hello, good day, ladies and gentlemen. On this YouTube channel, I'm going to teach you how to start up a POS business. And in Nigeria, POS business is a very profitable business, most especially if you live in the middle belt, especially like Abuja. 80% of people that live in FCT stays in the villages. I'm very sure of what I'm saying. I live in FCT. So if you want to start up a POS business, it's awesome for you if you live in FCT. POS will continue to be lucrative in FCT Nigeria. Do you know you can start a POS business with 70,000? You can. I run 3 POS business and I'm going to give you the secret right now. If this is your first time on this YouTube channel, please do like and subscribe. Once again, my name is Lok Hamza. So, the cheapest POS machine you can get now is Airtel Smart Cash. You can get it as low as 10,000. Just go to their office, go with your BVN, with your NIN, go to any Airtel office closer to you. Tell them you want to become an agent, a POS, PSB agent, and they will issue you the POS. With how much? 10,000 naira. So we are having how much left? Another 10,000. You can get a manageable, just a table and chair. There in that Airtel office, they are going to give you a banner that you are going to use for your business. So they save you money. They will give you a PSB Smart Cash, withdraw, send those banners. You're going to get it there, and you're going to get some, let's say, stickers there that you're going to paste in your business. So that is that. Get a table and a chair. You have 60,000, right? With the 10,000, I said you should get a table and a chair. If possible, you can sit in front of somebody's shop for a start. Get something there and you can start. This is how it works. You're going to deposit 10,000 in your account and you're going to withdraw 40,000 naira cash. So when you make a withdrawal of 1,000, you gain 100 naira. Maybe from that 100 naira, the company will remove just 5 naira. The 95 naira is your own. Just think, you send, you make money. They withdraw, you make money. You can sell data. There are places, if you want to be selling cheaper data, like you'll be selling data to people, there are places you can buy data in a very discount price, like ASB data. You can create an account with them and fund your wallet. So they can sell data, 1 gig data for you for a month as low as 250 naira, which you can sell it to your customers at the rate of 300. So how much are you making there? So start up your POS, sell data, withdraw and send. It's a very nice and lucrative business. So if this is your first time on this YouTube channel, please hit the subscription button and like, so that YouTube can give this video to others. They can recommend these videos to others that want to start up the business. So that is not just it. There are some benefits that you have if you are a POS agent. Like you have access to loan. It depends on your consistency, how business is flowing, the fluency of your business. They give you loan. Like I'm using OPay machine. An OPay machine will give you short-term loan. They'll give you long-term loan. They'll give you business building loan. So they give you like 4 different loans. They are building your business. OPay can borrow you up to 5 million. It depends on how you are using their machine. There was a day I was asleep in my room. They borrowed me, I think that was 250k to boost up my business. Just imagine you withdraw to 250k in your bag and people are withdrawing, they are sending. Bro, from there you can make a living if you know what you are doing. If you are a guy, I'm telling you this from experience, and the cheapest one you can have is that amount. So getting OPay machine is very expensive. OPay has about 3 terminals. There is what they call traditional terminal, which is that one that has normal button like manual one. Then there is an Android machine. Android is more expensive. Even the common traditional that I'm talking, the bottom one now in OPay is up to 40k now. If I'm not mistaken, it should be up to 40k now. Then their Android machine is around 60k. Then there's one there, they call it mini. That one is just like a calculator, so you need this one too. But the disadvantage of this one is it must be connected to Bluetooth. That is why I don't just like it. You understand? So that is OPay. Then you can go to another company called PalmPay. PalmPay, the advantage of PalmPay, they also have a cheaper rate, like withdrawal rate. There's what they call flat rate in this business. Withdrawal rates that you can also have, just like that of OPay and MoneyPoint. So just that they'll be giving you loan to run your business, but getting their own terminal is around 22,000. They are traditional, while their Android is around 40k. So it depends on what you want to do. If you want to take the business serious, it's less for you. So the POS business is something very interesting and lucrative that you love to do, because it's going to turn your life around. Yeah, it's better than to go and be working for somebody that will be paying you like 30k, 40k. POS pay you very good, but if you're in the northern part, like far north, they don't want to pay, like when it comes to business, the POS business, they don't want to pay very well. But in FCT, it pays very well. Very interesting. So then another machine I recommend for you is MoneyPoint. Again, MoneyPoint is one of the most interesting POS. Like if you go to any shop, you see them in almost every shop you walk to. But MoneyPoint is okay, but their network sometimes do fumble. To me, OPay still remain my best. But people use MoneyPoint because of the affordability. If you're 25,000, you can get MoneyPoint and get started. But what if you don't have 25,000, you want to start up a business? You go for Airtel or MTN Momo. They're the cheapest terminal you can have now. So if this is the first time on this YouTube channel, do like and subscribe so that YouTube can give this video to others. Thank you, bro. Start up something. Don't just stay in your home. Start up a business. See, there are lots of millions of graduates outside there that are searching for a job they don't have. But when you start up something, with the POS, you will not be hungry. You can start up something. So please do like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Once again, my name is Nok Hamza. So, and I'm going to recommend a network for you. See that you buy Wi-Fi. If you need a very fast network, buy a router. You can buy a Wi-Fi as less as, let's say, you can buy it at the rate of 7,000. So Wi-Fi is easier to get. Like I personally can recommend Airtel Wi-Fi for you because I've used it before. So if you know you are interested in this, hit the subscription button. I'm going to give you, it depends on where you are from. So I'm meeting you in my next video. Thank you. I love you. I want to meet you. Thank you some other time. Well, bro, that was a nice one.